In this video, I am going to explain you how to run dynamic creative ads. From last year, I've been using dynamic creative ads and I can see the dynamic creative ads feature has become the more efficient way to test your ad creatives because with this you are leveraging Facebook AI, right, to make best variations and possible for your ads, right? So my name is Divyang. I've been running Facebook ads from 2019 and I've been able to generate millions of dollars for our clients in revenue. So let's start with the tutorial. So we are in my ads manager. I'm going to give you full guide how to run dynamic creative ads. So let's start with it. I have created this campaign with the goal of purchases. Like I can show you. We are doing sales. Now we are on ad set level, right? Choose your correct pixel, purchase event, and most important thing, you need to pick this and turn on the dynamic feature. It will be on ad set level. Always turn this on, right? Thing is same, right? Choose your country. What I would like to do is always exclude the audiences that have made purchase on your website. So, so let me just create another audiences, right? So we have just excluded this. Location same. Everything will be open. No interest targeting. Always use advantage plus placement. This will literally lower your cost per acquisition. Now main thing is over here in the ad level. So now we are on the ad level, right? Now we need to select the videos. These are the three videos that I have. So I will be selecting all these three videos. So for dynamic creatives, we need three creatives, two primary text and two headlines, right? We want to give them best possible. Let me just copy my first ad copy. This is the one. We'll paste this over here. So these are the three videos. Similar marketing angle, driving traffic to to single landing page. So it's a collection page of these three videos. Uh, Second ad copy. You can you can put the link over here also, but it's really not necessary. You can just remove it. This is headline. And this is the link for the landing page where we're driving the traffic. See, three ad creatives, two primary text, two headlines. We really don't need description because people like nobody reads the descriptions, right? Shop now is the button. Everything is good. You can set up the URL parameters to see which sale is coming from which ad, right? So let me show you. Let's go to the advanced preview. Here you will see the every possible combination of your ad, right? If you click on this will show you the all the variations of this video. If you click over here, you will see the best possible combination of the hair, right? And that's it. That's all you need to do to test the ad creatives. Just hit the publish button and you are good to go, and leave it for 7 to 14 days. Like I shown you the tutorial, I will explain you few conditions that you need to keep in mind before running the dynamic creatives. Like I have mentioned you need three creatives, two primary text and two headlines, right? This is the base point. Like you cannot change anything in this. This will disrupt your efficiency, and like you won't see any results over there, right? So just keep it 3 2 2, right? So always use similar media creatives, right? If you have image, then only use three images of that product, right? Like for example, a single shoe, right? This is the product you want to sell, so create three different images of that, or create three different videos of that, so that Facebook can create variations according to that, right? Three images or three videos, nothing else, right? You don't want to do two videos or one images, or one image, sorry, two images or one video. So all the three images or all the three videos, all these three creatives have should have similar marketing angle, right? Should have similar business objective, like, and similar landing page, because you cannot create variations on the landing page, or like you cannot put different url. You have to put single url, so you need to be like aware of that, like you are sending people to a single product or single collection, right? This will help Facebook pick best variation possible and make your life really easy. All you need is a broad targeting and dynamic creative, and that's it. Your life will be much easier, and you will be able to like this part, like testing the creatives. Facebook automatically will create the best variation possible, and reach highest quality people for the lowest price possible, right? So sit back, let the Facebook make the decision for you. Leverage the Facebook AI, because Facebook knows everything about you, and they will make best variation possible, right? So, and don't even touch the ads for like 14 days. Trust me, don't touch the ads for like minimum 10 days. Just let it run. Let Trust the Facebook. You will have much better efficiency. And that's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments regarding this, drop down your comments below. And if this video helped you in any way, just hit the like button.